So welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about top 5 file sharing platform for free. You can transfer any file to another person. You can share file as much as you need storage for free. Okay, unlimited drivers just like OneDrive, Dropbox and any others drive, but there you can pay for plans and you cannot get any free for. So it is free just like Dropbox. You can get plans for individual. You can get 2 TB storage for individual. For month you can if you go for per month you can get free for month. 1 month you can free, and in advance you can get unlimited storage for free for 1 month. You can get 1 month free, and after 1 month it will charge if you do not give to money. Do not give money to Dropbox. It delete your all data. If you need to host any files or anything for 1 month, you can use Dropbox. And next is OneDrive, and OneDrive has 2 plans for business and for home, and you also get for 1 month free, and you can get 6 TB storage per user. Only one user get 1 TB. If you have 6 mobile, you can storage 6 TB up to. So this in business plan you can get unlimited storage, just like Dropbox has also business plans. This is for teams, is for business plan, and for individual is for just individual. And you can get 1 month free unlimited storage. 1 month. After 1 month it will charge. If you need free unlimited storage for lifetime, you can go with go file. It is free, but it has some restrictions, just like it shows add to your users. It shows add to your user, and you can now get any direct links which can user easily download your videos, easily download your files, just like in Dropbox and OneDrive. And go file is just you can now get any money from that those ads which show to your user. And next is sold file. Sold file is like just go file. You can host anything here, just host any file, but it all get you unlimited storage by creating account. In go file also you can create account and upload file, but in this sold file you can get a remote upload. You can upload through URL, and in also Microsoft OneDrive you can upload through URL, and Dropbox also you can upload through URL. But go file you can upload with through URL any file if you want to upload. But in sold file you can upload through URL, and its speed also good. Just go file has no have unlimited bandwidth, but its speed little bit slow than sold file, and it is free, and you can get unlimited. And it has premium plans also. It has premium plans. If you go through premium plans you can get 1 terabyte 100 GB per month, just this showing, and 14 days guarantee. If you go with free plans you can get unlimited storage, but it shows on ads and it's not give you direct link, just like OneDrive and Dropbox. And next is access file, and it's also like sold file, but it is little bit different, because in go file you cannot get any money and you cannot upload through URL. In sold file you can upload through URL and unlimited storage you have, but you cannot get any money from it. In the access file you can get money and you can upload unlimited upload, and it also have premium plans. If you go through premium plans you get direct links also. You can get direct link also, and you have unlimited bandwidth, just like this unlimited storage. In free one is also unlimited storage, and its maximum file is 1 GB, and you only upload 1 GB, and after 3 days is deleted. So it advertisement is shown. If you register it 90 days it deleted. If you go with premium it not delete, never delete your data. So if you and in this you can earn money also, and it is good thing. You can earn money from those ads which shown to your user. So if you like any of the drivers you can use it, and I meet you in next video. In next topic I am tell you about video hosting platform where you can host your video, and this little bit okay little bit different video than others, because in other videos you can only host just video, but just like copyright content videos you cannot host. But another video I am going to tell you about, you can host any type of video in that. So hope you guys like this video and you can get any knowledge. So I meet you in next video. So if you are new our channel, so you can subscribe. So bye.